Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transform a baby shower template into a gender reveal invitation, perfect to list and sell in no time. First things first, let's remove the current illustration and header. Now click on text and let's pick a fresh new header style. I'm going with this one. It works perfect for what we're doing. Let's start customizing. Replace the existing text with he or she, what will baby be? Make sure the spacing looks right and that everything is nicely centered. Now let's update the subtext. Change join us for a baby shower to join us for a gender reveal honoring the parents to be. We'll also update the names so both parents are mentioned. Time to add new illustrations. Click on Elements, Illustration, and then search for B. I'm choosing two that fit the look I want. Next, search for flowers to add some decorative touches. This one is perfect. I'm duplicating it and placing it in the top left corner. Now for colors. Using the eyedropper tool, I'll pull colors from the new illustrations to match the vibe. Let's give everything a final look. Check layout, spacing, and make any last tweaks. And that's it. We've created a beautiful new gender reveal invitation without starting from scratch in less than 5 minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe. Thank you for the support.